There's a bucket of potatoes on Erling Olafsson's windowsill in the Icelandic capital Reykjavik. Rummaging around in the rich soil, he finds a couple of insects he's never seen before.
There's one species of centipede and the other of a millipede. And I am trying to find the names on it, but I'm not succeeding yet.
In Erling's lab here, he's got a number of different specimens and jars laid out, and over the last few years now, he's been studying what appear to be new arrivals into Iceland.
The yellow one is a centipede and the darker one is a millipede.
And the yellow. A sign that Iceland's climate is changing at an extraordinary rate. One sign that our northern neighbours have a lot to teach us about life on a rapidly warming island.
We have documented a great deal of impact from this. Going from physical systems, which is the simplest ones or the most obvious ones, are glaciers. Glaciers are retreating now. We can see that trees are growing at a higher altitude than they were before. The productivity of plant life is increasing.
Halldór Bjornsson is the chief climate researcher for Iceland's Met Office. He showed me the latest data that demonstrate the changes in Iceland's landscape and the dramatic temperature rise in Iceland's capital.
Reykjavik, for instance, the temperature trend in the last 30 years is somewhere about exceeding half a degree per decade. And that is true for much of the country. We're sort of close to half a degree per decade. On the same time, the global average temperature rise for the last 30 years is somewhere around 0.15 per decade. So Iceland is warming at a rate which is 2 or 3 times faster, up to 4 times faster than the global average.